Good morning, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today we're looking at the car. In the car is where I spent my day yesterday, my entire day yesterday. For the chainsaw mill, I drove 7 hours round trip to get a 1960s Sears D-49 chainsaw. It's an 80cc chainsaw in fair shape. Surprising this is still white. I mean, the paint's worn off from age. There's a number on the bar, Sears 266 6155H. Still has the bar on it, and it starts and runs, and the clutch spins. It's got gas, oil. The cool thing, it's got a manual and automatic oiler, and it's an adjustable oiler. Really cool for using on a milling rig, which is why I went and got this machine. I got this for my lumber mill, and it was only $55 on Craigslist, which is why I drove 7 hours round trip to get this. Where else can you find an 80cc chainsaw for $55? Now, the reason this wasn't picked up by anybody else for that deal, there's no chain brake, there's no safeties built in. This was, back in the lumber days, this was just a rugged work saw. No anti-kickback features or anything, no safeties built in. And people generally say, do not use them. Put them on the shelf, use them as a collector's item, and don't run them, because they'll kill you. But on a lumber mill, the danger of kickback is probably null, because it's in a massive rig on rails, and if anything, the whole machine would have to kick back, and there's bars in the way to protect it from me from getting cut. So that doesn't matter. That'll never use. So it was like it was meant to be. Anyway, that's where I was all day yesterday. Let's see if there's a number here, 6177H on the saw itself. There's supposed to be a number plate or a tag somewhere on these machines, but I'm not finding it. I'm still looking for details on this machine, the numbers that are supposed to be on it. But I'm extremely excited about this. I can't wait to get this on the mill, and I'm hoping and praying that the bar on the mill fits, the bar and chain fits without any modifications or adjustments. Otherwise, I'll have to go in and well, I'm definitely going in to get the other chain probably today. But if I have to adjust this, or I mean, if the chain that I have doesn't fit, then I won't be able to try it until after I get a new chain. But I want to try it with what I've got right away today and see if I can get it running. Okay, I'm really excited. So I'm really hoping that the bar meshes right up, the bar and chain that's on that mill. I'm thinking it's gonna, because this goes in pretty deep, and it'll give me a lot of room for adjusting on there. So we'll see. I also have to see if, well, the teeth that run it are pretty low worn, so I might have to look for a clutch on this. But we'll see. I'll have to see how that works out. Hopefully it'll be all good. Worst case, I know where I can get clutches for chainsaws. There's tons of them laying around, so that's not an issue if the teeth are worn. But we're going to see how we get it going here. We're going to see if we can get it running and try it out today. So that is where I spent my day, and I'm going to get this video up for you guys to see. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.